Thank you very much for watching Learning Grammar with Nicalingue. I'm teacher Nestor, and in today's class, we will talk about irregular nouns. That's right, irregular nouns. We call irregular nouns because when you turn them into plural, they change. Their structure change. Let's take a look at the following example. We got one man, one man, one woman, one woman, one child, one child, one person, one person. If we need to make them plural, well, we need to learn them by heart. Instead of saying one man, we are going to be saying two man, two man, one man, two man, one woman, two women, two women, one child, two children, two children, one person, two people, two people. And we have more examples. One foot, two feet, two feet. One tooth, two teeth, two teeth. Now that we have learned singular and plural nouns, it's time for you to have some practice. You know what you need to do. You need to download the PDF file, print it, and see you in class. Bye-bye for now.